Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and adventure with the 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper. A marvel of modern engineering and design, this two-story camper redefines what's possible in mobile luxury living. First, let's talk about the interior. Toyota has taken comfort and creativity to a whole new level with this double-decker layout. As you step inside, you're greeted with a spacious lower deck that serves as the main living area, designed with modern elegance and intelligent functionality. Premium materials like soft-touch leather, natural wood trims, and ambient LED lighting create a warm, luxurious atmosphere. The lower level features a full entertainment suite with a massive flat-screen TV, a premium JBL surround sound system, and large panoramic views for stunning road views. The kitchen is a masterpiece in itself, equipped with a built-in induction cooktop, microwave oven, refrigerator, and even an automatic espresso machine. The upper deck houses a cozy lounge area and a full-size bedroom with a king bed, while the ensuite bathroom features a rainfall shower and high-end fixtures, ensuring five-star comfort wherever your travels take you. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper is an absolute showstopper. Its tall, aerodynamic silhouette is both functional and futuristic, allowing for two fully usable floors while maintaining impressive stability on the road. The exterior is finished with a premium dual-tone metallic coating that enhances its visual appeal and provides lasting protection. A power-operated retractable awning extends from the side, creating a shaded outdoor lounge, while custom 22-inch alloy wheels and the signature Toyota emblem highlight its bold personality. Built on Toyota's advanced, lightweight ladder frame chassis, the camper ensures optimal balance between strength and agility, allowing you to drive and park with surprising ease for a vehicle of its size. When it comes to performance, the 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper doesn't disappoint. Under the hood lies a powerful 4.5-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid engine that delivers the perfect blend of performance and efficiency. Whether you're cruising along the coast or climbing mountain roads, the intelligent all-wheel drive system and adaptive suspension ensure a smooth and stable ride. Toyota's eMotion adaptive transmission shifts effortlessly, while regenerative braking technology helps improve overall efficiency. Advanced driving aids like lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, and auto parking support make maneuvering this giant an effortless experience. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper is designed for those who demand more than just a vehicle. They want a luxury residence on wheels. With a starting price of around $650,000, it sits firmly in the high-end segment of the camper market. However, considering its double-decker architecture, hybrid powertrain, and world-class craftsmanship, the value it delivers is nothing short of impressive. The price includes bespoke customization options, top-tier interior materials, and Toyota's latest smart camping technology package. To sum up, the 2026 Toyota Double-Decker Camper represents the future of road travel, where innovation meets luxury and practicality meets performance. It's not just a camper, it's a moving penthouse designed for those who want to explore the world without giving up the comforts of home. Whether you're planning a cross-country adventure or looking for the most luxurious way to travel, the Toyota Double-Decker Camper delivers an unforgettable experience. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.